Hey everyone, in today's video we'll learn how to attach a playlist or include a playlist in your YouTube community posts. Also do check out the YouTube launch playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. So in our previous videos we have seen how we can add a video in our community post, how you can add images in your community post, how you can create a poll in your community posts to engage your audience, right? Today we'll see how you can add a playlist, because a playlist gives you more time, watch time, and also helps the viewers binge watch your content. So to begin with, very simple. There is no directly share button for playlist. As you can see, there is for image, video, quiz, or text polls, right? All you have to do is create some post and add the playlist link. So to go about this is go to your content in YouTube Studio, decide which playlist you want to share in the community post. So for example purpose, I will select maybe YouTube channel setup over here, which has basically all the videos on how a person can do the channel setup in the right way, right? So I want to use this to share in the community post. So all I will do is click on this, click on the three dots, and click get shareable link. Now I have to share this in a way so that I'm telling my viewers for this channel itself how they can set up the YouTube channel in the right way, and they can refer these videos in the playlist to go ahead with that. So I will use ChatGPT to write a short community post for this. Right, so I given this prompt to ChatGPT and I will wait for it. I'm not using any SEO search terms over here. You can do that if you want, if you have any keywords which you want to promote. So right, so here they have created a post starting your YouTube journey. If you are in the phase of setting up your channel, want to make sure you are doing it the right way from day one, we have got something for you, right? So you can see it is primarily on the right path what I was expecting it to. And I will simply post this. I'm not changing much, but if you don't find the, if you are using ChatGPT and if you don't find it in line with what you are thinking, you can create a new one or tweak it as per your liking. So we go on create post. I simply, sorry, I am pasting it over here and I will include the playlist link. Now, one thing which you can do apart from this is, see, this is all text. If you want, you can add an image. What I will do is I will add an image of the playlist, right? So the thumbnail of my playlist is what I will add again over here, right? So I am adding it over again over here, and this will appear in the right way over. So when I see this post now, you can see the link is over here, the playlist link, and the post is appearing the right way, right? So this way you can post using a playlist link. If you have any queries, do drop in the comment section. If you like the video, do like the video and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.